or anything.
That was awful. Nice.
Cody Coates. I'm embarrassed and humiliated from my wife. I mean, I had no answer. I just drove up there and walked in, and just hillbillies were laying right there at the gate, the door, and the fan, on backwards and ramps, and the roof, and then the shirts, and like the shirts.
I got you on camera. God. Oh my God. What's that?
That car hit me on this side.
We got to exchange numbers.
Yeah, I will, but I'm saying that car, it hit me.
Well, apparently it's going to clear up before we get to the Beltway exit. Who knows? Maybe somebody had a crash. Like that little car is about to do. Oh, good Lord. I saw it coming. Shit. Do we stop or try to get around them? You look okay? Yeah. Sorry.
The video is now locked.
Hey, stay back, get back in the car, get back in the car, come on, get back in the car. Hey, he's running on foot.
Maybe it is. Maybe I'll just hang on to it.
Yeah, you should. There's no reason to get rid of it. Not at all. You know, you like handling these new cars.
I'm so sorry.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you weren't there for a second ago. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Oh
Are you
my God,
okay?
yes. I had unfinished this today.